Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Professor Datta Kamkar, preparing and presenting second video for BCom 5th semester students. We are studying first unit. The title of the first unit is Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Under this title, in our previous class, we have studied introduction and classification of MSMEs. In our today's class, we will be studying importance of MSMEs in Indian economy. While studying this particular title, we need to keep in our mind the general features, the general characteristics of underdeveloped economies, such as overpopulation, unemployment, poverty, low per capita income, low savings, low standard of living, low level of capital, low level of technology, social disorders, disparities, discriminations, poor quality of human resources and resource constraints. If we keep in our mind these characteristics in our mind, that will help us to understand the significance of MSMEs in a country like ours. In first place, we find MSMEs are employment potential. The greatest advantage, the greatest merit of MSMEs is they create large number of employment opportunities. Because MSMEs are labor-intensive industries. These are those industries which use more unit of labors than capital. Therefore, in country like ours, unemployment can be overcome by promoting MSMEs. We are having surplus labor, we are having abundant labor, and such abundant labor can be easily absorbed. They can be employed. They can be used for the sake of economic development by promoting MSMEs. This is the greatest, this is the advantage of MSMEs in a country like ours. While studying the merit of MSMEs, if you look at the demerits of large enterprises, we can better understand the importance of MSME in generating employment opportunities. Large enterprises are capital intensive industries. They use more amount of capital than labor. Thereby, they release large number of labor force and it remains unemployed. Thus, large enterprises, they create unemployment problem in the country because they are capital intensive industries. Under this background, MSMEs are having advantage over large enterprises. This is one of the merits of MSMEs in country like ours. After studying this, in second place, the second advantage of MSMEs is they need small savings or low savings, and small savings are easily available in country like ours. Therefore, any common man can start MSMEs. India is known for small savings or low savings or shortage of capital. This particular problem can be overcome by developing MSMEs, as they need small savings to start their functioning. At the same time, if we look at large enterprises, we find large enterprises need more savings, quick savings, and which is not easily available, which is not easily accessible to a common man in country like ours. Compared to this, small enterprises are having greater advantage in country like ours. The third important merit of MSMEs is they help us to solve many social problems. MSMEs help us to reduce the gap between rich and poor, as even a common man can also start MSMEs. MSMEs help us to achieve regional balance, that is decentralization. We also find MSMEs encourage large number of entrepreneurships. Plus, MSMEs control inflation due to low cost of production. MSMEs are known for establishing better industrial relation, which is good for industrial development. In addition to this, we also find MSMEs create eco-friendly environment. So these are the advantages of MSMEs. On the other hand, if we think of large enterprises, no doubt economic development will take place on rapid scale, but large enterprises will create so many social problems. Looking at the disadvantages of large enterprises, we should think of promoting MSMEs in country like. Next, importance of MSMEs is they are known for decentralization. They are known for scattering across the country, and thereby they create uniform economic development in the country. Another merit of MSME is they create regional balance. MSMEs have tendency to scatter or settle across the nation, unlike large enterprises. MSMEs can settle in urban areas, rural areas, villages, because they do not require super infrastructure facilities like large enterprises. This will help to create a regional balance in the country, which itself is nothing but decentralization. If decentralization or regional balance is achieved in the country, maximum citizens can enjoy the benefits of economic development. This is the greatest advantage of MSMEs. On the contrary, large enterprises are having tendency of settling in big cities, already developed cities, they have a tendency of concentrating in one place, and that leads to regional imbalance. If regional imbalances takes place, only few people will enjoy the benefits of economic development. Therefore, MSMEs are better than large enterprises. Next to this, the fifth important advantage of MSMEs is they have political advantage. Political advantage they enjoy in the sense MSMEs employ small number of workers by the virtue of their size and capacity. Thus, there is no scope for establishing trade unions in MSMEs, and thereby there is no scope or chance for political and religious interference in the working of MSMEs. MSMEs, they create healthy and happy atmosphere in workplace. This kind of atmosphere will have favorable impact on productivity. In addition to this, MSMEs are known for creating harmonious relation amongst the workers and also between workers and owners. So this kind of atmosphere or this kind of advantage we do not find in case of large scale or large enterprises. Large enterprises, by the virtue of their size and capacity or because of legislations in the country, there is a scope for establishing trade unions in large enterprises. And wherever trade unions are established, there is a greater scope for political and religious interference. And in turn, this kind of interference affects the functioning of the enterprises, and it adversely affects the productivity of labor and capital. So under such circumstances, we should remember the political advantages of MSMEs. The sixth importance of MSME is they are known for making use of latent talent and resources. MSMEs, they use hidden and unused talent. India is known for artistic skill, semi-skilled labor, artisans, craftsmanship, innovative and creative talents. Such a talent can be effectively used by promoting MSMEs. If we do not focus on MSMEs, then such latent talent will be wasted away. Therefore, in country like ours, we must encourage MSMEs to the maximum extent. On the contrary, if we look at large enterprises, we find there is little scope for latent talent in large enterprises because they need specialized labor force. They need well qualified or highly educated labor force. And it is difficult to develop large enterprises in country like India or in underdeveloped countries of the world. So these are some of the merits or importance of MSMEs in Indian economy. After studying these titles, we can understand the importance of MSMEs in India with the help of following statistical evidences. We have selected some of the statistical evidences and parameters of 2019-20. These statistical data speaks the significance of MSMEs in the country. Look at this. Nearly 43 million MSMEs are in the country, which are generating 106 million employment opportunities. 43 million MSMEs in the country are producing 6,000 variety of products. This itself speaks the significance of MSMEs in Indian economy. In addition to this, look at the contribution of manufacturing MSMEs and service sector MSMEs to national GDP. Manufacturing MSMEs are contributing nearly 6% of the total industry to national GDP, whereas service sector MSMEs are contributing 24% of total industry to national GDP. It highlights the role of MSMEs in the share of in national GDP. Next, we find MSMEs produce nearly 45% of the total industrial produce. It means large enterprises are producing 55% of the total industrial produce. Plus, nearly 40% of the total industry export comes from MSMEs. These data underline the significance of MSMEs in Indian economy. Look at the growth of MSMEs. They are growing at the rate of 10% per annum. Friends, we have discussed some of the merits of MSMEs in our country.